Hey guys, this is Casper Beamish, and it's a beautiful September day today here in Australia. And yeah, today I will be doing an unboxing video of this Diesel's Dairy drop-off wood set, and it consists on a wood truck with another milk carton in there, a diesel. I think that milk on there is supposed to represent, like, you know, like dairy and cream and stuff on it there, and there's a like plastic cow there, and there's two wooden fences, and yeah, just before I open them, something you probably have noticed, guys, is, well, I am recording this unboxing video in my backyard today. So yeah, anyway, this video is meant to unbox this. So yeah, let's open him. Now just take this plastic off first. Here we go. Now if we just take, oh, that's really cool. I didn't even destroy the packaging. So I think, well, so if we give them the, yeah. So here's all the things out of the box, as you can see, and you'll be able to see that. So yeah, let's just take this plastic thing off. Yeah. So here's Dairy Diesel, if you want to call him that. Pretty cool. Yeah, apart from the back, it's a bit here. And now, what date is this Diesel from? I'll just check on the wheels. Hold on. 2012, yeah. And I kind of, if you can see that, if we'll just focus, I can't see it. There we go. He's got like little like curves there, and I compare the faces, but the only problem is I don't have my normal Diesel model with me. I don't think it's to bring it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna go inside for a second and get my normal Diesel. I'll be 10 seconds. Oh, there we are, guys. I'm back. Now this is my normal Diesel. Now let's just compare the faces. I think the face on this Diesel right here, I think it has improved just a tiny bit, I would say, than this one. But yeah, right, I'll just put my Diesel back. Guys, 1 second. Right, anyway, let's just take out the next thing. So there's Diesel. Now the next thing is this milk carton container thing. This is a piece of well, I mean, this is meant to be like dairy cow's milk, I think. Yeah, it's actually meant to be dairy cow's milk. And here is the actual truck. Now this is a woods truck. It's actually my first wood truck, and I like it, but the only part that I hate about it, sorry if it'll focus, yeah, the part that I hate about it is these wood shavings that they put into the plastic. It just looks so ugly, but anyway, still, I'll probably be using that in my series. And the next thing is this like plastic cow. I might use this as like one of Farmer McColl's farm animals, and then I might use like these like fence pieces here as fences, like to go around Farmer McColl's farm, and then the car will be like in the middle. I'll probably be adding that to my layout. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'll just move all this packaging. Hold on 1 second. I'll just put them all here. Just stand them up. I just want to. Well, I mean, this diesel isn't bad. It's just, well, apart from the like wooden sides and everything, it's a pretty good model. I'm like especially like that. Just all that blank wood in the cab, like God. But anyway, guys, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And yeah, so yeah, bye for now.